Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I have another unboxing video for you. Today we're going to be unboxing this Polaroid Now camera. I tried to find my dad's old Polaroid that we had. That was a pop-up, but I couldn't find it, so I ended up purchasing this, and now we get to see what's inside. Pretty good box coming out, lots of colors, and this one comes with 16 photos ready to use, and this one uses the I-type and the 600 series film. So in the main box, so you open it up, first thing you get is the camera. Nice packaging. As you can see, here's your viewfinder, objective lens, flash, and in here you have a little strap. Looks like a charging cable, and on the side here you have your manual. So according to the sheet, this is where all your stuff is. So there's your shutter button, your lens, your flash, your viewfinder. I guess E is the self timer, so on and so forth. What we're going to focus on is opening it up. So again, you're going to push this button down on the left hand side. It's going to look like an eject button, and then this is going to pop out. From here, you're going to take your film pack. So as you can see, that's it. That's how you install your film pack into your Polaroid. And the first one came out by itself, so you don't need to manually take that shot, which is awesome. Super excited to use this. I'm going to bring it down to Club Loose for East Coast Bash this weekend, and I'm hoping to do some tandems with this in the car. So we'll see how that goes. Thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what you guys like to see next. Stay safe.